Hey, so one of the things I've been doing a lot lately is not riding my Pebble. I've actually, last weekend I took my two sons out up to Oakridge and took them on their first actual real mountain bike ride, which was really fun. I took my son Trevor, the one that you've seen on some of my other videos, on Saturday, and took him up, and we did the North Salmon Creek Trail, which was really great for a beginner. Just real nice kind of single track, but wide, relatively flat, almost no hills really to speak of, and not too technical, not a lot of rocks and roots and stuff. So it was a really great intro ride. Very pretty, almost nobody was on the trail, so it was really great. And then I took my other son Cameron, who's the older one, and I took him on Sunday, and he really had a good time. He actually liked mountain biking. My other son decided that mountain biking wasn't for him at this point, maybe later. Anyway, I rented a bike from Willamette Mountain Mercantile because they were really the only place that had an extra small hardtail that was a good quality bike available for rent anywhere around here, including Eugene and Springfield, which was a little surprising to me. But anyway, I just wanted to give you the report on that, show you a little bit of the video from it because it was pretty fun. And the other thing that I've been doing a lot of is just riding my road bike. I bought the Pebble to ride when it was bad weather, not to ride all the time. I mean, I do ride it occasionally, but it's not my primary mode of transport. When it's really nice like it is right now, I love riding my road bike. Hey, so one more thing that I wanted to mention was that I recently had a part that's actually hanging off the bottom of my Pebble. It's a little bar, basically, that's been welded on to the frame, and it's welded on the sides, the bottom, and the top. That's the way it's intended to be. However, my Pebble was actually only welded on the sides and the bottom, not on the top. And because of that, as I was pedaling, I actually had a gentleman here test riding my Pebble when this happened. I was pedaling up the driveway, and I literally ripped this piece right off the bottom of my Pebble. Now, I couldn't even ride it at that point, which was a bit of a downer, obviously. Kevin was really quick to get me a new part, and I bolted it on. And rather than bolting it on in that same spot, I actually bolted it on in front of, and you can see in this video that there's a new part that's been bolted on. And basically this part carries the little wheel that the chain rides on, and so that it's not rubbing on the frame. And because it's actually forward of that kind of crossbar there and farther down, it's a longer bar than the original one, it puts the chain in a much better position. And because of this, it's quieter, smoother. It's much better when I back up. It's better when I pedal forward. I mean, it's just a better design. And I'm hoping that maybe Kevin and the guys will see this, and I've already actually sent a technical drawing to Kevin so that he could hopefully make this change in the future. Say, do this on future Pebbles, and hopefully he'll do that. But even if he doesn't, this is a change modification that you guys could do too later on if you chose to. It was a simple job, and Kevin just sent me the part, and I bolted it on, and it's just been amazing. So just wanted to show you that too.